Hey guys, so today we've got another first impression for you. So I know some of you have heard of the fragrance reviewer Big Beard Business, and I think that he was one of the very first fragrance reviewers I started following on YouTube. I think I first started following Kevin Samuels, and then I started following Big Beard Business. So when I heard that he was releasing his own his own fragrance line, I really enjoy his reviews, so I wanted to just go ahead and support his business and buy his fragrances. So today, or actually yesterday, I finally got my box in the mail and I ordered three of his fragrances. So let's just get started. So here's the box. Came from Navitus Parfum. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right, so we've got three different fragrances here. All right. I know Big Beard Business would say fuck the box, but I'm not going to say fuck the box. So um, I think the box is actually pretty well done here. So again, I have three of them. So let's go ahead and open up the first one. So I've never smelled these before. I've only seen other people give their first impression of his fragrances. So again, I wanted to support his business. So here we go. This is a blind buy. So hopefully I didn't waste my money. So, all right. So here's the presentation so far. All right. How do I open this thing? Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, here we go. Navitus Parfums, the Enamoured collection. So the inside of the box here has a nice kind of satin feel to it. So this very first one, all right, now I'll say fuck the box. So this very first one, Exalt Nuit. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, but you know. So I'm freshly showered, so I can't wait to give you guys my first impression on this one. All right, so. Ooh, okay. I like the smell of this already. It has a nice warm fragrance to it. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and warn you, I'm not one of these reviewers that knows what every note is. I don't know what cardamom smells like or, you know, none of the other stuff. So I'm just going to give you my first impressions here. Okay. I really like this fragrance. Again, this is Exalt Nuit. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. So on the card itself, he has the notes on here. So it's described as mysterious and addictive. Top notes: Italian bergamot, cocoa, nutmeg, olibanum. Sorry, guys, I suck at pronouncing this stuff. In the heart, you have Madagascar pepper, anise, Indonesian benzoin, cistus, and jasmine absolute. And in the base notes, you've got Bulgarian tobacco absolute, Indonesian patchouli, South African tobacco absolute, American cedarwood, and Haitian vetiver. Okay. It's actually a good touch to include this card with all the notes on it. So I really like this. So on my initial impression, I can definitely smell the cocoa right away. Nutmeg, I can smell that as well. To me, I think this is a fragrance that would be maybe better off in the fall and the winter, just because it does have a little bit of warmth to it. I don't know if this is going to be a really good office scent. I'm now starting to pick up the cedarwood. This is something that I would definitely wear more on a date night or a special event. I don't know if I would wear this casually, but I do like it. All right, so that's the first one, Exalt Nuit. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the second one, Soir Exclusive. Maybe this time I'll actually read the notes first before I spray it. So same kind of presentation here. Again, we have another card, the Enamoured collection. So this one comes in a red bottle, Soir Exclusive. Again, I know I'm butchering the name, but so this one is described as warm, inviting, and seductive. So the top notes are almond, blood orange, coffee, and Brazilian orange. In the heart notes, we have marshmallow, licorice, orchid, fresh tonka bean. And in the base notes, we have vanilla, tolu, balsam, ambergris, driftwood, musk, and oak wood. All right. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm definitely liking this one already. Oh, man. Whew. So again, this one is Soir Exclusive. Big Beard Business, if you're watching, man, I think you hit a home run with this one. Wow. Man, this one smells really, really good. You can smell the almond, and I kind of smell the blood orange, but I feel like the almond kind of makes it a nice, smooth scent. Wow, this is definitely a date night scent. This is actually, to me, a Netflix and chill kind of scent. Like this is something where, you know, things are going good. Maybe it's your third, fourth, fifth date or whatever, and you know, you want to invite her over. This is what you wear. Wow. Yeah, I think warm, inviting, and seductive, I think, is the perfect description of this. So, man, this is, I actually can't wait for my wife to smell this one on me. Okay, I'm going to go back and smell the first one, too, because sometimes things will start to smell a little bit different on the dry down. So I'm going to go back to Exalt Nuit, which I sprayed on my left wrist here. And I'm still liking this one, but this one is kind of giving me almost an earthy kind of vibe. So again, that one is Exalt Nuit. And on the inside of my elbow, I sprayed Soir Exclusive. So right now, Soir Exclusive is definitely going to be my favorite out of the two. Shoot, Netflix and chill. Yeah, this one might be Pornhub and fuck. So that's how I'm going to describe this one. This one is, yeah, you invite her over, you wear this, yeah. Forget Netflix and chill, man. This is porn, hub, and fuck. So 10 out of 10 on that one. If I had to give a score right now to Exalt Nuit, I'd probably give it an 8. But Soir Exclusive, I'm definitely going to give a 10 out of 10. So it's got the exclusive porn, hub, and fuck. 10 out of 10. All right. Now, this third one, I know that he said that he's really thinking more about his wife when he came up with this particular fragrance. So all of them are supposed to be unisex, but this one is supposedly supposed to be a little more feminine leaning. It's Eidola, Eidola. So I know, again, I'm butchering the name, but all right. So there's the presentation. Comes in a nice pink bottle. So I'll go ahead and read off the notes. So it's described as ideal, enticing, voluptuous. The top notes are orange, Italian mandarin, and bergamot. The heart notes, we got French rose, jasmine, peach, and Bulgarian rose. And the base notes, we have vanilla, cedar wood, Indonesian patchouli, and Haitian vetiver. All right, let's give this one a whirl. So I'm going to spray this one on my other wrist. Okay, I'm definitely smelling. I'm definitely smelling something flowery. Okay, so French rose, jasmine, peach, and Bulgarian rose are the heart notes. Okay. Man, it smells pretty good. Man, I'm liking this one. It definitely is more feminine leaning, just kind of like I thought it would be, but I could definitely see some guys pulling this one off. But to me, this one is definitely more feminine leaning. Man, I can't wait to smell this one on my wife. Wow. I think you knocked it out of the box again. It's a big beard business, man. Whew. That smells pretty good. I can't wait to smell this on my wife again. This might be, ladies, if you want to come to the bedroom and have complete control over what's going on, you wear this. Man, this smells good. So far, if I had to rate them, I would say my favorite one right now is Soir Exclusive. Um, and then the next one is going to be Eidola. But again, this is more feminine leaning. So, but I mean, hey, you guys wear what you want to, right? So this one's a little more feminine leaning. So I think my wife is really going to like it. And then right now in third place, I'm going to go with Exalt Nuit. So I'm just going to give each one. Yeah, Exalt Nuit. I wonder if it has licorice in it. No, I can't quite place what I'm smelling, but it just kind of has an earthy kind of scent. All right, so that's Exalt Nuit. Soir Exclusive, man, it really does have a seductive scent to it. So again, Big Beard Business, I think you have knocked these out of the box. And again, I just wanted to pay my respects to you because you were one of the very first fragrance reviewers that I started to follow. So again, great job on these fragrances. I would recommend that you go out and try these yourself. I think they're all great. Right now, again, I would give Soir Exclusive a 10 out of 10. Eidola, I would give a 10 out of 10. And then Exalt Nuit, I think I'm going to give it about an 8.5. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, just my first impressions. Go out and support his business. I think you can't go wrong with any of the three that I bought. So thanks for watching.